Are you looking for the best vehicle ramps? In this video, we will break down the top 4 vehicle ramps on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. RhinoGear Rhino Ramps Vehicle Ramps. These rugged ramps from RhinoGear feature a non-skid base and a tread pattern that prevents tires from slipping with a 17-degree incline that is useful for low-clearance vehicles. They're also stackable when not in use and can hold vehicles up to 12,000 GVW gross vehicle weight, with tires as wide as 9 inches. That's good enough for most cars and small to medium SUVs. RhinoGear made them of a sturdy, heavy-duty polymer, and it takes just seconds to set them up and drive a vehicle onto them. They also provide a good amount of clearance, enough to place a 5-gallon water bucket underneath, but there are downsides. The main being is if you hit the guards on the ends of the ramps while driving, the vehicle may drag them forward, and too much power or momentum can cause the ramps to slide and potentially crack. At number 2. Discount Ramps Low-Profile Plastic Car Service Ramps. Maybe you just need a little lift to slide a floor jack underneath your lowered car, or just need a little bit more ground clearance to work comfortably under your car. These little guys will only lift your vehicle off the ground by 2.5 inches, and this low-profile ramp is ideal for low-clearance vehicles. Each discount ramp can handle about 2,000 pounds, and with an incline slope of just 9 degrees, it will work no matter how slammed your Acura Integra is. We like the honeycomb channels that allow dirt and moisture to fall through when using them, aiding traction. Each low-clearance vehicle ramp measures 27.5 by 7.75 by 3 inches and weighs 4.5 pounds. They are quite narrow, so those with super wide tires should look elsewhere. At number 3. Rhino Ramps. This is one of the most popular, basic car ramps that you can purchase today based on the sheer volume of good reviews it receives. It is also one of the best values due to the low price that these sell for. Made of a plastic polymer, the Rhino ramp has a 17 degrees ramp angle and will lift your vehicle 6.5 inch off the ground. It has a rubber pad under the front of the ramp to help prevent slippage when you first drive onto it, and they can handle tires with a tread contact patch of 9 inch in width. They are not the best ramp for low-profile vehicles, however. This is not the best produced video, but you do get a good idea of what Rhino ramps look like and how they work with a vehicle driving up on them. Available in a 12,000 pound GVW rating and a 16,000 pound GVW rating, they weigh only 16 pounds and 18 pounds for the pair respectively. Another nice feature is that they nest together to create less space for storage. You can get the current pricing here for the 12,000 pound GVW ramp and find the current pricing here for the 16,000 pound GVW ramp. As good a value as these ramps are, there are some things to consider when purchasing plastic ramps such as these. At number 4. Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramp. The Black Widow PSR 295 plastic car service ramp meets a lot of potential service needs. Sporting a 16,000 pound weight capacity, it utilizes a heavily treaded and ridged surface for traction against heavy-duty plastic. Ground clearance is the lowest we've researched, lifting your vehicle 6.25 inches. Weight distribution is helped with an internal support system that cuts through the ramp's center. One of the Black Widow PSR 295 plastic car service ramp's biggest strengths is water channeling. Snow, mud, and other debris flow through thanks to its grid design, which leaves a lot of holes for passage. All in all, the Black Widow PSR 295 plastic car service ram is an excellent choice for vans, trucks, and larger vehicles with its generous 16,000 pound weight capacity.